Hi friends, this is Tejas. Welcome to my channel which is Technophobic, and today we'll be speaking about the Honor 7X which is the X series, and I got this in the Amazon offer and I got it around 10,000. So looking at the specs, it's an octa-core CPU. So first of all, I would like to say you can give this to your parents as a gift because it's a very good phone and handy, and the feel of the phone is very nice. So it's 4 GB RAM and 32 GB ROM. So again, it has the expandable slot wherein you can fit in 256 GB SD card, and the best part over here is you get a 15.1 centimeter full HD display plus. I mean, this is 18:9 ratio. So again, in 10,000 you are getting this aspect ratio as well. So the rear camera is 16 megapixels, and with a dual cam, that is one would be 16 MP and the other one would be 2 MP, and the front camera is 8 megapixels. So again, that is good. One thing about this phone, it has the hybrid dual SIM, but at a time you can use one slot for 4G. So again, I would say that you need to compromise looking at the price range. It has the fingerprint sensor, and the battery is 3340 mAh. So typically it takes around 2 hours to charge, or 2 hours 30 minutes to charge, and it would last you around less than a day, because the battery is 3340 and the display size is bigger. So Huawei has given the some softwares to tweak in the battery life, but again it lasts around less than a day. So guys, this is the blue variant. So let's quickly unbox this phone and we'll see what's inside the box. So if you are new to Huawei, I would say that you will be impressed looking at the build quality. So let's see. So the packing is nice. It was easy to get the phone outside. The phone is light and it has the metal body. I'm just taking this off. So it has the premium finish, and if you see that it has the curved screen, so again that looks premium. And as I said, the 18:9 screen, again it's a plus point for Honor 7. Let's see what else do we get in the box. So here are the some user guides, some user manuals over here, and like MI, we do get a case, and I feel that yes, this is the transparent case. So again, this is good by Huawei, so good work. And this is the brick, the charging brick, and the cable. So it's not a fast charger, but I would like to see it's a 2 ampere charger again. So even after using this, it takes around 2 hours plus to charge the phone completely. So guys, let's have a closer look to the phone. So as I said, it looks premium, and so we have a front camera over here. We have a 3.5 mm jack, the charger, the charging port, and the speaker, and this we have a mic over here as well. So these are the volume rockers, and this is the power button. Over here we have a secondary mic over here, and at the back, it's not a glass back, but it's a metal body. We have a fingerprint sensor and the dual camera, so the 16 megapixels and the 2 megapixel, and a flash. So we don't have infrared over here, and over here we get this SIM card tray, and we need to eject it from here. So guys, let's quickly power on this phone, and let's see how is the animation and the welcome screen. So this is powered by Android. Let's see, we might get a Honor animation as well. And then what we'll do is we'll quickly set this phone and we'll go to the hardware properties and the about phone menu. So this was a small animation by Honor. So I'll just quickly speed this up and I'll set this phone up and we'll quickly go to the settings. So guys, let's have a quick look at the settings, and the transition is good, and we'll see about phone. So it's EMUI, that is the the Honor OS. So the model number is BND-AL10. Again, the device name is Honor 7X. So we'll go to the CPU is the Kirin 659, and the RAM is 4 GB and the storage is 32 GB. So we have a free space of 19.39, and as of now I have not received any update. I have not connected it to the internet, but I feel that I would get an update soon, as soon as I connect to the internet. So as you see that the transition is smooth, and again there is no lag since the phone is new right now. So we will go to the dual SIM settings. Currently we don't have memory cards, the SIM cards. So coming back over here, let's have a quick look at the speaker quality, and let's see how is the speaker. But currently I have not connected to the Wi-Fi. Let's quickly connect and we'll see the speaker quality as well. We'll try to as I said, there is already an update, that is 5.1, but I'll do that later on. And we have some fixes as well, and many more over here. So let's try to play a video to just have a sound check. So this is my video. So the speaker is loud enough, and we can see the brightness as well. So hi guys, this is Tejas, and today we'll be speaking about the so it's fast, and I feel that the transition is also good. So guys, I tried to use some applications, and I tried playing a song on YouTube, and the brightness is full, and yes, the Wi-Fi is also on, and I can see that the phone is a bit warm, and it's not hot, but it's warm. So I would say that this phone is definitely for the casual gamers and not the hardcore gamers. But I would say that the phone is definitely become warm, and in the meanwhile I also set up this fingerprint sensor. So let's see how fast it is. So 1 2 and 3. So yes, that is fast. So we'll try that once again. So it's 1 2 and 3. Yes, so it's fast and it's accurate. I have also tried to configure the face detection. So we need to unlock this, and yes, so the face unlock is also fast. So we just need to get this into wake up mode, and then yes, so it's fast and it's accurate as well. So looking at the camera, the front camera is good as well, and let's have a quick look at the settings. So we have the photo, panorama, video, AR lens, so the lenses which are behind, time lapse, we have some filters as well, and we can give a watermark as well. So that's again nice, and we have the some more options over here to to beautify your pic, and we have some settings as ISO, image adjustments, and you can also have a check on the mirror reflection. So while taking the selfie, this is a very important option. If you have something written at your in the background, so it might get reversed, so that is a very good option. And I tried to click some photos in the daytime, and there were really nice photos. So guys, I would say that before we conclude that this is the best phone in 10,000, I would tell you something, some pros about this phone. I would say that we get a 18:9, we get a dual camera, fingerprint sensor, face unlock, and the build quality is good, and we get this curved screen. So nowadays we get this in the other phones as well, but the cons about these phones are the battery life. It won't last you even a day. It takes around 2 hours plus to charge. Then one more thing is both the sims are not 4G, so one sim would get the 4G signal. One more thing is the camera. The camera is good for the macro shots, but if you see that if you get a landscape photo, and if you zoom in, you would see the grainy a grainy picture in it. The front camera is good. It's good to post your photos on Instagram or Facebook, but in the night mode the rear camera is not that good, and I would say that you need to be really stable while capturing the photos. So guys, overall I would say that before you go for this phone, just consider some other other companies or the other brands such as the MI A1, and you try to compare, and I would say that you can go for MI A1 if you have a budget more than 10,000, like 11,000, you can go for that. So guys, that's all from the Honor 7X. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, and you have a great day. Bye bye.